Hey, today we are going to install Node.js in a Mac operating system. I will tell you two ways to install it, but before that, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. In the last videos, we have installed IntelliJ IDEA and Java. You can find these videos in the description. So let's continue to our video. First, head over to your browser and just type Node.js. Here, click on this first link. Now you can see it's directly giving us an option to download Node LTS version. So just in case if you want to download any other version, you can simply go to the download option here on the top bar, and you can now go to the pre-built installer. Here you can see you can choose any other version which you want to download for your system according to your need. So this is like one way of downloading. What you can do, it just select the version you want to download, and now you can just select for which operating system you want to download, like Mac OS or Windows, Linux. Okay, and now here you have option, it's asking for which version it is running on. Like for me it's ARM64 at as it is the Mac OS silicon chip version, M3 MacBook Air. And if you have the Intel one, you can select this x64 version. So just simply click on this and download it, and just follow the basic steps, and the node will be installed in your system, and you can check the version by verifying to the terminal. Now there is another method. You will go to this package manager. Now you can see it is giving us some steps how we can install node using the command line. Now what it does, it install nvm, which is node version manager, and from that you can install any version of node.js according to your need. And if you can install, and you can also install multiple versions through this. There is one thing that you have to keep in mind, which is that if you want to install like this method, you should have zhsrc file in your home directory. If not, then the path for this node version will not be going to install system wide, like a system variable we see. For that, if you go to like this on this link, it is a github repository for nvm. So here in on the top, if you come, we have an option of installing and updating. Just click on it and you will be redirected here. So here we can see we have few steps that we have to run in the command line. First is this curl command we have to run, and second of all, you see what it is written here. Running either of the above command will download a script and run it. The script clone the nvm repository to this position in your Mac operating system and attempts to add the source line from the snippet to the below correct profile. So any of these profile needs to be there in your system. To check that, what you can do, just go to your terminal, open it, and now type pwd to check if you are in your home directory or not. Just you have to type here ls minus al. So files will be displayed to you. Here you can see I already have zhsrc file in my system here. Now if just in case you don't have this file, you can simply, what you can do, just type touch dot z zhsrc, and this file will be created for you. For me it is already created. So what we're gonna do, after it's created, we will clear this. Now after that, you should keep in mind that you should have Xcode installed in your system. So for now, the sake of the video, I'll go on this and click on this pre-built installer for macOS with ARM64 chip, and I will click on it, and you see download will be started. Let's wait for it to get completed. Just click on this. Now you can see we have this installer. We will open it, and now we will just follow the steps. What is this saying? This will be installed in this position. We will not change it as we have no requirement of that. We will continue it, just another continue. We will agree on this. We don't want to change the location. Just simply click on install. Now we will give the password for this MacBook, and click on install software, and see the installation will be started. It is writing the files and everything, and now this has been installed. Now what is saying that make sure that this is in your path. So now what we will do, we will just close this. I'll move to the bin, the installer, as we will no longer need it. And now what we can do is just head over to a terminal and type node minus v, and see it is returning me the node version. We can also check the npm version like this, npm minus v, and see it is returning me the LPR. So this will be the easiest method. Just in case if you want to use various npm versions, you can always download it from here, but I will recommend using this package manager method, because after using this method you can install various node versions in your system, and you can just switch with just one command, and you won't be having any problem with different projects having different version. So if you love this video, please leave a comment and do share this video, and check our other videos also which are regarding the Mac OS setup. Thank you everyone.